66 million years ago, an asteroid hit the Earth with the force of 10 billion atomic bombs and changed the course of evolution. The skies darkened and plants stopped photosynthesizing. The plants died, then the animals that fed on them. The food chain collapsed, over 90% of all species vanished. When the dust settled, all dinosaurs except a handful of birds had gone extinct. So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Watch with Nachos, and today we will learn about what brought an end to the world of dinosaurs. How did they die? 66 million years ago, these dinosaurs had the ultimate bad day with a devastating asteroid impact. A reign that had lasted 180 million years was abruptly ended. In 1980, Nobel Prize winning physicist Luis Walter Alvarez and his geologist son Walter published a theory that a historic layer of iridium-rich clay was caused by a large asteroid colliding with Earth. The instantaneous devastation in the immediate vicinity and the widespread secondary effects of an asteroid were considered to be why the dinosaurs died out so suddenly. Asteroids are large rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. They range from a few to hundreds of meters in diameter. Any fragment of an asteroid that survives landing on Earth becomes known as meteoroid. The Alvarez hypothesis was initially controversial, but it is now the most widely accepted theory for the mass extinction at the end of the Mesozoic era. Paul says an asteroid impact is supported by really good evidence because we have identified the crater. It is now largely buried on the seafloor off the coast of Mexico. It is exactly the same age as the extinction of the non-bird dinosaurs, which can be tracked in the rock record all around the world. The asteroid is thought to have been between 10 and 15 kilometers wide, but the velocity of its collision caused the creation of much larger crater, 150 kilometers in diameter, the second largest crater on the planet. The dinosaur-killing crash threw huge amount of debris into the air and caused massive tidal waves to wash over parts of the American continents. There is also evidence of substantial fires from that point in history. Around 75% of Earth's animals, including dinosaurs, suddenly died out at the same point in time. So how was it all caused? By a rock hurtling into the coast of Central America. The asteroid hit at high velocity and effectively vaporized. It made a huge crater, so in the immediate area there was total devastation. A huge blast wave and heat wave went out and it threw vast amounts of material up into the atmosphere. It sent soot traveling all around the world. It didn't completely block out the sun, but it reduced the amount of light that reached the Earth's surface. So it had an impact on plant growth. Like dominoes, this trailed up the food chain, causing the ecosystems to collapse. The reduction in plant life had a huge impact on herbivorous ability to survive, which in turn meant that carnivores would also have suffered from having less food available. Breeding seasons would have been shorter and conditions harder. All living things would have been affected in some way, both on land and in the ocean. There is a lot of discussion over the actual kill mechanism and how long that period lasted. There are still a lot of unknowns, but it was a massive event affecting all life on Earth, from microorganisms all the way through the dinosaurs. The casualty list is long, but the loss made a room for the beginnings of the modern world. After the dinosaurs' extinction, flowering plants dominated Earth, continuing a process that had started in the Cretaceous and continue to do so today. But all land animals weighing over 25 kilograms died out. So yes, this was the reason why dinosaurs died. That's it for today's topic. Thank you. Namaste.